Hi, so in the last video what we used was the debugger when the state of the method we were looking at was already correct. So let's try to change it the other way around. So we'll say that decrement is now equal to +1. Save this. And now if we go over to counter test and run the test counter decrement, you can see that it got 7 instead of 3. We can't do much apart from looking at the C count being 7 and being run against 3. So the state of the debugger is too advanced. What we should do is stop right after the creation of the counter. So in order to do so, what you can do is go over here and write some debugging code, self halt. Save this. So it will say that there is a halt debugging code left in methods, but that's what we're planning to do, so that's fine. Let's run it again. This time it's run against the halt method. So what we can do is use the same methods as what we did in the last videos, so press into and over in order to look at where our problems come from. So we can press over. We're now in the decrement, so if we look at our counter row, we can see that our counter is still equal to 5, so the creation was fine. And we can dive into the decrement. We can see that we should change this count +1 to a count -1. And you can do it directly inside the debugger. Press Command S, so this will change the actual decrement method. Press over. Now we can see that our count is equal to 4, so this is the kind of behavior we were expecting. Press over, etc, etc. So we have finished our debugging. We can press proceed, and if we press it again it will still halt. So what we can do is simply remove the halt from within the debugger. Press Command S and press proceed. So this is how you should try to debug your tests. You should try to break your test into small pieces by using halts, or what you can do is go over to the source code and press add breakpoint. So this will add a breakpoint for your test and for your debugging, or you can simply write self halt from within the method. Pharo will always tell you that there are some debugging code left inside the method, so you clearly can't forget it. You even have a protocol we've written the different breakpoints that you might have forgotten inside of code, so you can simply remove it and save it again. So this was a small example on how you can use breakpoints to help you understand your methods and investigate your bugs.